Hey guys, we're here inside the Gigabyte AORUSVERSE booth just across Nangang Exhibition Center here in CBTC Financial Park. I'm Grandsor, I'm with Gian.
Hey, what's up guys?
So, Boss Gian,
Yes,
anong
sir.
meron dito?
Right, so marami sila dito. Meron silang Master Your Game where they'll see CPUs and GPUs. I would think that they have the 4090 there as well.
Yes.
Syempre, 4K Vision where they showcase yung kanilang mga monitors. I saw a PlayStation 5 there. So, one of the products I'd like to see is yung kanilang HDMI 2.1 monitors, which we've seen before. Tech innovation where they are, of course, showcasing some new ones that they're pioneering. And lastly, there's a friendly design for DIY enthusiasts.
Okay. So, there's a lot of areas to be covered, no? Ang hirap mamili. And of course, I'll pass the burden to Boss Gian. Where do we want to go first?
Syempre, una tayo sa monitor. Let's go.
Okay, monitor, let's go. Okay, so behind me is the Aorus monitor booth where they're showcasing different kinds of monitors, of course, in different kinds of setups. Behind me is a custom Gigabyte PC that's kind of like an Egyptian or hieroglyphic theme that's able to power the triple monitor gaming PC that's also on my left behind me. So the game playing here is Redfall, I believe, and it's powered by Gigabyte M32UC gaming monitors. And of course, over on the other left side, my left, are Gigabyte merchandise, which is usually included in their promotions.
Alright, so what we have right here is the Gigabyte 48U. This is their largest and the most premium monitor, which as you can see, I am being killed by a lot of guys here at Elden Ring. But yeah, it's actually perfect for those of you who are into playing console games. We have here PlayStation 5. Also, we'll be working with consoles also like the Xbox Series X and S. And behind me is the Aorus 17X. It's one of their most premium laptops available. That's 17-inch. I believe it's a 4080 GPU. Don't quote me on that. Maybe we'll check it out later. But yeah, this is actually one of their best booths, if I may say. And we'll get around and see the other ones.
Okay, so right across the Aorus booth, kung saan tayo nanggaling kanina, is here. So yung friendly design area ng Gigabyte. So this basically shows kung ano yung mga design changes na ginawa ng Gigabyte to make it friendly for the user. So the first one we have here is the LCD Edge View. Of course, in a world where we're plagued with RGB, what better way to step up your personalization game with LCDs on your AIO and of course on your graphics card. So with LCDs, you can further personalize it to make it your own. So pwede ka maglagay ng animations, images, text. And of course, the next one is the Easy Latch design. This is my personal favorite as one who builds PCs regularly, at least one PC a month. So Easy Latch design is basically Gigabyte's toolless SSD installation. So this one, you don't need to have an M.2 screw and of course, yung parang maliit na bracket niya to install the SSD. So it's a clip-on mechanism that makes life so easy. So, and of course, this one is the ARM edition. So, yung ARM edition is pretty new to me. We haven't had any Aorus monitor or Gigabyte monitor pa that has this feature. But this is a really cost-effective measure kasi nga, if you're going for a triple monitor setup or at least want to have more ergonomics for your monitor, sayang naman yung stand, tapon siya, diba? And you're buying another VESA mount. So, this one, the ARM edition, ARM na talaga yung kasama sa monitor, giving you further personalization, of course, customization, and of course, while saving few bucks. And then, of course, lastly is the cable stealth design. So, apart from the ARM, so included na dun sa design niya is to hide your cables for a better setup overall. And that concludes our section here. Let's go to the Tech Innovation. Okay, so right here over at the Tech Innovation booth, Gigabyte showcases how it's experienced from different products. You know, you have motherboards, graphics cards, memory, power supply, laptops, monitors, pretty much everything. How its experience in each of these products is applied, of course, within its ecosystem. So for the CNC milled technology right there, you have laptops that are CNC milled, especially the Aero line, which is my favorite line of Gigabyte laptops. The next is power efficiency. Actually, we have a review unit of the Gigabyte G5KE laptop, I believe, and it has one of the thinnest power blocks available in the market, and that's sporting a 13th gen CPU and an RTX 40 series graphics card. So it's about 180 watts. I can't really remember. Go check our review over at www.gadgetpilipinas.net. Shameless plug. And of course, the WindForce Infinity cooling system. So the WindForce Infinity cooling system is both Gigabyte's cooling system designed for both its laptops and graphics cards. So whatever experience Gigabyte has with the other is also, of course, implemented to make these products better. And last is the bionic cooling design. Again, just another implementation of their cooling technology from their experience both in laptops and of course in the component side of the things. Okay, so to my right is actually our bread and butter graphics cards and motherboards. So, of course, syempre sobrang sikat nito, ang daming tao, di ba? So, it pretty much included every type of tiers of products here, from the basic Gigabyte line to the gaming OC, the Aeros, the Water Forces, the Masters, both motherboards, of course, graphics cards. So I think about half naman ng products na nandito na review na namin sa Gadget Pilipinas. So if you're interested in checking out more details about each product, go to our website www.gadgetpilipinas.net. So there you have it for the Gigabyte AORUSVERSE Computex 2023 booth. So there's a lot of activities here. We've enjoyed our time here. Of course, you, the viewer, hope you enjoyed the showcase as well. So for more Computex 2023 coverage videos, don't forget to follow our socials, www.gadgetpilipinas.net.
And of course, not only Gadget Pilipinas, we also have here Brainerd C of Junkyard Summit. No? Nakita namin siya dito, umiikot-ikot. So we
Actually,
thought
starstruck po ako. I can see my idols here.
So it's good to see you also, and of course, don't forget to visit his website as well. And we get to enjoy all of that's happening here at Gigabyte. But of course, no, marami pang mangyayari. It's the technically first day for us, and there'll be more. Right? Right?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.